In this video, I'll show you how you can fix GeForce can't optimize applications on this PC. Now first what we want to do is we want to open up our GeForce experience, click on settings here and go to games and apps. In here you want to make sure that this is turned on. After you've done that, what you can do is simply close it down, come down here and search for run, find percentage local app data percentage, press OK and find our NVIDIA folder. Now NVIDIA Corporation is the one we want to open, NVIDIA GeForce Experience, and in here you want to delete Ceph cache folder. Now simply just press delete. If you get an error message, it's because you didn't close out of GeForce Experience, so just right click here and exit it. After you've done that, what you can do is allow it through the firewall. So search for Windows Defender Firewall, allow an app. Now NVIDIA should already be here somewhere, and you want to make sure that both of these are checked. If you cannot find it in here, press allow another app, browse, and come to your NVIDIA folder. Usually it's on your C disk, on the program files, but if you have installed it on another drive, you can find it there. You just want to look for NVIDIA Corporation, GeForce, and there will be a GeForce experience.exe. Add that one and it should be right here, and make sure both are allowed. After that you can come to Device Manager, open up Display Adapters and update your GPU. Once you've done all of that, if it's still not working, the last option you have is to try and reinstall NVIDIA. So search for apps and features. In here search for NVIDIA, reinstall GeForce Experience by uninstalling, and then go on the web browser and reinstall. Now that's basically the things that you can try. I really hope any of them helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.